So here we have already created the data set. That's the dictionary. Now let's convert it into data frame. So let's pass the data set. So that's how our data frame actually looks like. Just to keep it simple, I have taken ID and just the amount. So here we have used the dot log. If you take 0 and amount on the 0th row, we have amount equal to 200. Now let's try to slice it again. So we are going to have now rows from 0 to 3, and let's check column from ID to amount. So basically all the columns. So we have sliced it on the sliced it to get the 3 rows. So the row starts from 0. So if we just need the amount, we can specify amount as the column. So as you can see, only the amounts are displayed. Now if you want all the columns till amount, then we can specify colon and amount. So look is basically so it deals with the labels. You can directly specify the column name or the label here. Now let's try to amend the data set that we have got. Let's add the quantity as well. So I've just taken simple numbers just to get a better idea of how the slicing actually works, how you can get the particular columns. Now let's use the log again to slice from 0 to 3 rows. So basically we will get the first 4 rows, and let's take the columns from amount to quantity. Okay, that's the data frame 2. So we can slice it on the columns. That's how you can display the columns. So that's how we have got columns from ID to quantity. As you can see, the amount column is also included. So from ID to amount. So these are the columns which are displayed.